Hey, so big dogs, do you do Snapchat? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat score increase. So as you can see, we got 1,273, but in this mod, we can actually increase our score. So I just turned on increase score, and let's see if it starts going up. So as you can see at the moment, it's just 1,273. So it should start increasing now that I enabled that. So let's see what we doing. So it's not going up, but hopefully it does. So yeah, it's increasing now. So I'm going to show you guys how to increase your snap score just like me using this mod. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is open our browser, and I want you to type tweakmod.com, okay? This is the website. So once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Press install, and now we just need to do verification. So this is the last step, guys. You got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official app store, and then you will have the Snapchat mod on your device. You can actually increase your score, and I will show you in a minute. There's actually quite a number of other features, such as screenshot snaps without being notified, and also send from gallery, meaning that you don't actually have to take a snap. You can have something in your Photos app, and then you can actually send that, and it looks like it went through as a snap, which is pretty wild. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see, and it's just going to say like missing files at the end or whatever, and you just got to download some of these apps. So as you can see, we got tons of them, so you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps. So like Underdog says download and run for 30 seconds, so I could download this. Then we have the Fanner app, where we have to search something up. So we literally need to find the one that's made by Moonicorn. So anyway, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all good to go, guys. So as you can see in the mod, I just wanted to show you guys, we can download videos, we can increase our score, obviously, hide viewing stories, so we can actually view stories without them seeing us. We can do hide read messages and also hide typing, which is pretty hilarious. So I'm going to see you later, and peace out, brothers.